Hey guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to be magnetic and attract anyone you want. These things I'm going to be sharing with you are things I practice and they have changed my life tremendously. To be attractive and irresistible, you have to be unapologetically you. You have to be true to yourself. People are drawn to people who are true to themselves. People are attracted to originality. You are unique. Every one of us are unique. Be you and stop caring about what people think. Stop giving a spoon. Just be yourself, okay? Another thing is have high standard. Low standard makes you less attractive. Have your boundaries. Have high self-esteem. People value people who value themselves. If you don't value yourself, why should another person value you? Be confident. People love people that exude confidence. Carry yourself like an egg. Have shoulder pad, all right? Your shoulder should be high. Love yourself. Never ever take less from anyone. Trust me, people are watching. People are watching how you treat yourself, and that is how they are going to treat you. So, if you treat yourself like someone who has high standard, high value, and all that, people are going to be attracted to you. I have a video about how to be confident. I'm going to link it in the description box. Another thing is smile. People love a smiling face because it shows happiness, because it shows positivity. No matter where you go in the world, smile always paves ways for you and open doors, okay? So you have to learn how to smile. Smile in your pictures, smile in real life. Stop being like this. I have resting bitch face. I have poker face. Smile. All right? Is your face. Now, why am I smiling sheepishly? But seriously, learn how to smile, okay? I've heard some people say that they don't have good set of teeth. Who told you you don't have good set of teeth? Who told you that's rubbish? Your teeth is perfect. You are perfectly crafted. So make sure you always shine your teeth. Show your teeth. Come on. Whenever we smile and show our teeth, we look 100 times more pretty or more handsome. Trust me, that teeth you are insecure about is not even that bad. It's not even bad at all. Let's be honest. Okay, guys, can you see my teeth? I have a tooth gap here, but I don't care. I don't care that I have a missing tooth. I'm gonna keep shining my teeth. Please smile. Whenever you smile, it brings more people to you. It opens doors for you. Now, smile for me. Smile for me. If you're enjoying this video, please like it, leave a comment below, share with your friends, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Jolie and also on all other social media platforms. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. This one is a no-brainer. Look and smell good. This shows that you love and care for yourself. People are attracted to people that take good care of themselves. Always look your best. Don't save anything for special occasion. Being alive is already a special occasion. Put in effort in the way you look whenever you are leaving your house. Wear your best outfits, wear your best perfumes, wear your best shoes. Use everything you have every day, okay? Put in effort. Put in extra effort in the way you look. The other day, I stepped out. I took 10 minutes of my time to just straighten my bob hair. And when I got to the event I went for, I felt so confident. I felt so pretty. And so many people were like, oh, can I meet you? Can I get your number? Trust me, people notice when you take extra care of yourself. So don't just be, I don't know. Oh, no. It's just going to take you extra 5, 10, 30 minutes. It doesn't even matter even if it's extra 1 hour. Okay? Look your best. You don't know who is watching. We good? Another thing is have a good sense of humor. People feel at ease with humor. So be playful. Playfulness brings out your sense of humor. Don't always be taking life so seriously. No. I don't want to smile. I don't want to laugh. I don't want to say what is in my mouth. Who told you that when you open your mouth and say that thing, that it's not going to be funny? Who told you that I'm not going to laugh when you talk? Duh. Some people think that they don't have good sense of humor. Trust me, every one of us have it in us. Just that most times people are scared of talking. People are scared of opening their mouth to say something. They're already thinking the thing in their head, but they don't want to say it out. We all have it in us to be humorous. There are some people that have dark sense of humor, light sense of humor, dry sense of humor, wet sense of humor. There are different types of humor. Another thing that's going to help your sense of humor is, for example, you can exaggerate things or say things in a very ridiculous way. You don't know who's going to find it funny. So just be yourself. Allow yourself to be playful. Allow yourself to be humorous, okay? Learn how to keep to time. Respect and value people's time. Time is money. Time is very important to people. People don't play with their time. If you keep to time, if you respect people's time, they are going to be attracted to you. They're going to take you more seriously. They're going to be like, wow, ooh, I like the fact that this person is so serious and this person keeps to time. Never ever be someone that if you have an appointment by 10 a.m., you will start leaving your house by 9:30 or 10 on the dot. What's that? You should know that you should wake up on time. You should prep on time. You even have to be there 10 minutes before the time. Learn how to dance. Learn how to move your body. People are mesmerized when you move your body. When they see you dance, they're like, woo! And the good thing is that when you're dancing, unconsciously you start smiling. You have this happy face. So people are drawn towards you automatically. Automatically. Let me tell you guys something. I didn't even know how to dance all my life. I just learned how to dance in 2022. So you can learn how to dance at any age. You can learn how to move your body and be sexy at any age. Don't come and say, I don't know how to dance. When I dance, I look funny. Why don't you start learning how to dance now so that by next year or a few months down the line, you're not going to look funny when you move your body? It is not hard to dance. Dance is however you move your body. That is dancing. You must not dance in a perfect way. It is just you freeing your body and being happy and shaking and moving your body. So never ever be shy. Dance in public. Dance. Be yourself and dance. And let me tell you something. At first, people are going to dance shame you. They're going to mock you and be like, look at what you're dancing. You can't even dance. They did the same thing to me. I was deaf to everybody. I threw away my ears and I continued dancing. Sheepishly, foolishly, I kept dancing till I learned how to dance. So don't mind when people are telling you, you're not even doing it well. Hey, they should go and do what you're doing. They can't even dance and they're still dance shaming you. So dance, all right? You're going to be more attractive when you can move your body. Another thing is make people feel important. How I do this is I always make sure I ask people their names. The waiters, the bartenders, even where I go to buy food. I ask the person serving me, hi, good afternoon, what's your name, please? Daniel. Ooh, like Daniel in the Bible. Hi, Daniel. Hope you're having a good day. Yes, I am. Guys, just these few seconds makes them feel good and they serve me so well. They are so patient whenever they are serving me. I'm telling you guys this. Make people feel seen. Make people feel appreciated. I have countless stories about how I've gone out and the waiters, for example, I go out on a date and normally most times the waiters used to treat the guy better. No, they treat me better. They're like, what do you want, ma? Oh, what do you need? Are you okay? They ignore the guy and they concentrate on me. I'm telling you guys this. Because I always ask them for their names and I always address them by their names. It's appropriate, it's classy, you acknowledging and English. It's appropriate. I'm just a typical abroad girl. It's appropriate, it's classy, you acknowledging and respecting them. So always do this, guys, and you're going to see a significant amount of changes in your life. Be a good conversationalist, be attentive, and always listen when people are talking to you. Look people in the eyes. Don't be pressing your phone or be distracted. I'm trying to do this. No. Why are you doing that? Why are you acting like that? Always remember the smallest details about people. Their birthday, favorite animal, favorite food, their mother's names. Just little details about people. It doesn't make sense that someone has mentioned something to you before and the person has to remind you. Do you remember when I told you? Do you remember the what are you doing? What's up? So make sure you pay attention to details and listen when people are talking. It makes people feel loved. People go to where they are noticed and loved. Gather knowledge, learn new things so you can be able to talk to different people, so you can be able to contribute to a conversation, not that you're just going to be there looking like you don't have anything you can contribute. Work on your inner self, work on your character so that you're going to be top notch and attract the best people. Please note that you are not for everyone. Your goal shouldn't be to attract everybody. No, that one is not good attraction. Your goal is to attract very good people into your life. That is why you have to be your best. That is why you have to bring out your A game. Have something you're living for. Have something you are working hard towards. Don't always be available and have free time. Don't be needy that you always want everybody. You want to be around people. You don't like staying by yourself. Enjoy your own company. Don't always run away from you. If you keep running away from you, why would I want to spend time with your company that you keep running away from? Think about this. So be whole on the inside, be focused. It's good to be focused and busy because you're not going to have free time and start running after people. When you are busy and productive, you look much more 1 million times more attractive in people's eyes because you have something you're living for, because you have a goal you are after. This is the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like it if you did, share with your friends, share on your social media, leave a comment below. Let's talk in the comment section. And please check out these videos here, and subscribe here. I love having you guys here and I can't wait to see you in my next video. See you guys.